something wrong? If I didn't do anything wrong, why you, wait, no, tell me no. Why are you all up in my face? I'm not doing nothing.
No, you're not.
Okay, well, why are you here?
To see what we can do for you.
Do I look like I need some help?
Conflict de-escalation training here at Georgetown Christian Fellowship. What an amazing day, a long day. I thought it went really well. Steve, what do you think?
Well, as the training person in this church, we hired General Response, John Riley, my friend, who I've known for a long time, to come in and show us where we could do a lot better in our training scenarios on especially de-escalation, because as our church, as members of our church want to know that as safety members, we are here to provide help. We are not here to provide a confrontational place. We want to help people. John's group, General Response, gave us a lot of different tools to use going forward and trying to better understand people may have agendas.
Yeah.
How do we handle those kind of people?
What'd you think of the scenarios?
I thought the scenarios were wonderful. They challenged us. They pushed us to the limit. They gave us the opportunity to excel, and when we didn't do as well as what we probably thought we should, they gently cajoled us to show us the right way to do it. So I think overall, the whole training, the lecture, the training scenarios were super beneficial, and we will use them again.
Well, I appreciate that. You know, one of the things that my team and I try to do, we always want to validate and affirm what people are doing right, because we want them to keep doing that. And then we'll talk about the things that they could probably do different tweaks, so that if in the event they're ever in an actual situation, they're more apt to do something correctly, try to avoid escalating a situation. So it looked like everyone had a good time.
I think everyone had a good time. I didn't hear any negative comments. They were all thrilled with the training.
Awesome.
Their butts might have got a little sore because John likes to talk, but we enjoyed John immensely, and the group of people that he brought with him were top notch, just like John is. So,
I do get carried away, and I try to remember that to make sure I give people breaks and all that. So anyway, would you recommend this training, Steve?
Absolutely.
You're not just saying that because you're my friend.
I am not.
Okay,
It is a training, a group of people who are dedicated to serving God. And they do that through their Gentle Response course. And it shows that there is a better way to handle people who are in conflict, whether it's mental illness or an agenda or just having a bad day. How can we show Christ to them? Gentle Response puts that throughout their training scenarios and the lecture, and couldn't be more happy.
That's awesome. Thank you so much. Ministry minded, right?
Absolutely.
There you go.
100%.
Conflict de-escalation training, Georgetown Christian Fellowship, A+.
Thank you, John.